Stars, I'm a fool for your love.
Hi guys, welcome back. I'm KIKICONIC, and if you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. All you have to do is just click the subscribe button and bell notification so you get notified when I have a new video. Anyway, so for today's video, what I'm about to share with you guys is my Jeffree Star cosmetic BlueBLood collection. So I didn't realize I had this collection for a while now. It was just sitting in a box in my beauty studio. I was cleaning my beauty studio, rearranging, and I didn't realize, yeah, I have this collection. And when I saw it, I got so excited, and because I want to make a video for you guys. In this collection, I've ordered myself the Jeffree Star Blue Chrome Mirror. I really like this color. This is the BlueBLood palette. Look at this packaging, it's beautiful. It feels blue laminated like a wood, and as you can see, there's a silver metallic around in it, and on top of the box we have the Jeffree Star and the BlueBLood embossed into the box. And at the back you have all the ingredients of the palette. This presentational packaging, it's beautiful. This is the actual palette. It feels hard and sturdy. I think if you're gonna throw it into someone, or like if you dropped it, nothing's gonna happen into this palette. And this palette has 12 mattes and 6 shimmers, and I do believe the Ocean Ice and the Entitled are pressed glitter. Each shadows has stamp of Jeffree Star logo. The shades in this palette are beautiful, bold and blue, and it's pretty to look at. And this is the Blue Lip Scrub in BlueBLood collection. I ordered a blueberry pie. This is delicious scrub to prep your lip before applying liquid lipstick. And according to Jeffree Star, this is extremely yummy, edible, vegan and cruelty. The smell of it, it's really nice. And also I've ordered the liquid frost. The liquid highlighter from the BlueBLood collection. So I do have the blue balls. Gotta love the blue balls, the Michigan Ice, and the frosted shit. If you want to know how I come up with this look, all you have to do is just stick around and watch the entire video. Hi guys, so this is the final look. Let me know what you think about this transformation look on me using my Jeffree Star BlueBLood palette. I'm in love with this palette. Will I ever use it again? Yes. Everything just worked for me in terms of formula, pigment in this palette. Beautiful, beautiful. I really recommend for each one of you guys. This is worth $52 US. If you have the BlueBLood palette, let me know what you think about this palette. Comment down below. If you enjoyed this video, all you have to do is just comment down below or like this video. Anyway, I want to say goodbye to each one of you, and I want to say thank you again for watching my video. And don't forget, if you're new here, all you have to do is just click the subscribe button and the bell notification so you get notified when I have a new video. I want to say goodbye to each one of you and have a great day, guys. I hope to see you on my next video. Bye.
Behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.